we are back at it again. We are in the office today, taking care of some of the Copart stuff so we can start bidding on other vehicles outside of MPA so we can keep this inventory rolling. We just got that officially signed up so we can start making some blue face money. That bike I showed you guys last time, that Suzuki S40 that I took you guys to crash toys with me on, that thing sold the same day. I was actually going to go home. I was trying to call them and see if they found the keys, because if they found the keys for it, I was going to take a risk and say screw it and let's just buy it, because of the price point. It was so clean, it was so good. I should have just did it, because that bike was well over $2,000 underneath what it was worth for buy it now. I would assume that as long as transmission and engine worked, which I wasn't able to see, we were going to make some good money.
That's all, folks.
Anyways, let's get straight to it. Let's start looking at some values for this week and see if we can bring some home this weekend. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I cannot tell you guys enough. We're trying to run these numbers up, y'all. And you guys have the power to do that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Y'all hit that notification bell. And give this video a like. And we'll promise you we're going to bring you as much content as you like. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And let us know what you guys would like to see. These are all bikes that are in my price point. Obviously, I'm not going to be trying to get a 2020 Super Glide that's 25 grand, because that's not what I'm going to be doing. I'm focusing on certain bikes that are in my price point that I know I can make money on to eventually we can get to that level. Anyway, so this is step number one. That's what I'm doing. I'm making the list for MPA, and then now I'm going to start working on the list for Copart, so I kind of have all those auctions. I like to kind of be ahead of the game, so when it comes to it, I'm not as stressed. Alright, y'all, it's time to pack up for the day. My hours are 10 to 3. I've been here since about 10:30, 11. It is now 3 o'clock. Got most of the lists done. At this point, it's literally just adding to it from there. Now, I may take y'all with me tomorrow to Copart, because there is a bike running on Friday that has 0 bids on it right now. Let me see if I can pull it up. If I can get it cheap enough, it is going to make some good money on it, y'all. So I'm excited to take y'all with me. Here's the bike. So it's a 2012 CBR, but there are a few things you want to pay attention to. One, I only buy things with titles. Now, I will buy salvage vehicles once I start getting to know the salvage market, but it's vandalism. Estimated retail I don't really pay attention to, because I have my book. Now, one thing this thing does not have is keys. So realistically, it runs and drives, so I don't really know how, but we're gonna go there tomorrow and find out. I'm on the phone right now with Copart to validate that bike is going to be there for sale Friday, but also I want to make sure that they have it so we can actually go check it out. Bad news, y'all. That bike is not going for the auction on Friday, according to the representative that I was just on the phone with. We got started already, y'all. This is the car right here. We're gonna have it run through. Inside got cleaned up. We're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna go home because I'm not bidding on anything today, and we're gonna watch it on the computer. Babies, huh?
Yeah, I wanna go there.
Where's the babies?
Over there.
The babies are over there?
Yeah, but don't go there.
Oh, you know what? Maybe we can go there with mommy and brother, okay? So, as you guys saw, the car, it shows for $1,400. We were able to get them to come up a little bit, so we sold it for $1,500. So nothing crazy, but we sold it for $1,500. So after it all, we walked away with like $1,300 bucks, a little bit more, is like $1,360. So we took a huge loss. So with that loss, I mean, that's part of the game, but it's not if you lose, it's when you lose. And based off of that, you just hope that you win more than you lose. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what it is. Yeah. We're gonna head to you want a cat?
Yeah.
Okay, we can look into cats. I think I'd rather have a dog though.
Yeah, wait, the dog is so cute.
Don't you want a dog?
Yeah, I want a dog.
Yeah, I want a dog too. With that being said, it is a beautiful day.
There, Dad, over there.
Yeah.
Scary deep.
As you guys can see, we're in the van right now. We're in the Swagger wagon. We're in this right now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on what happened with the car, because I didn't take a proper video of it, so I'm sorry. But it's up $1,500, so yeah. Now the next part of this video is because I also didn't do another outro for this one, so I'm sorry. You guys remember that Lambo we saw and the Porsche at the Crash Toys walk around y'all just saw? Well, in the next clip you guys are going to see actually how well they did, what they did, and kind of a breakdown of it. They went for pretty good money, so I just wanted to get you guys know exactly, you know, kind of what an idea of what that car market is. They're both salvage titles, you guys will see in the video, so just wanted you guys to see that. To let you guys know, we did take a huge loss on the car, but it is what it is. We're going to hopefully take a W in the next one, so hope you guys come with us. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, HTB, hit that bell, smash it in the face. We'll see you guys in the next one. Say hit that like button. Say hit it in the face. No? Alright y'all. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back